stressed about your theory test? Don't worry. Get e.driver now. With official exam questions just like at the licensing authority. Learn at your own pace with 13 lessons as an e-book or audiobook. Each lesson ends with a test, so you'll know exactly what you've understood. Includes almost 1,000 questions explained by experts. With adaptive learning, you'll focus right where you need it most. On your phone, tablet or computer, learn anytime, anywhere. Includes success guarantee. You get 12 months of access, and if you need more time, we'll extend it free to 3 years. With e.driver, you'll pass your theory test for sure. Start now or just download the app and tap "Try it for free" below.